Hello and welcome. My name is David Oisamoje. Welcome to another t-shirt design tutorial with your boy. Yes, you know what my channel is all about. If you've been watching me, if you've been following me, but if you've just joined me for the first time, my channel is all about creating designs that sell. Yes, creating designs for passive income on print on demand. Yes, we're talking print on demand site like Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, Match by Amazon. You can sell your designs on all these sites, sit back, relax, and make passive income. But you have to be ready to work. Yes, when I say work and work, create multiple design, a lot of designs. So basically that's what my channel is about. So if you're interested, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you've not done that already. Yes, I've made about 174 episodes already, so you can just go to my channel. After watching this particular video, you can just go to my channel and just pick more to watch for yourself so that you understand it better, so that you become a pro in designing t-shirt for yourself. You don't have to pay anyone to design for you. You'll be able to design it yourself. So yes, I just want to say a big shout out to my newest subscriber before I go straight into the design. So if you see your name on the screen, I really appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. You guys have been there. You guys have been following. You guys have been subscribing. I really appreciate you guys for all your efforts. You guys have been amazing. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go right into this design and create something unique, something simple, something straight to the point. That's what my channel is about, creating something simple. It does not need to be complicated as long as it sells. So now we're going to be opening canva.com. As you can see, I'm using canva.com for this design. I'm going to create a design, custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400. Yes, this is the standard. For those who are just joining me, for those who have been following me, you already know this, but I have to keep doing it for the new watchers and all. So you create new design, click on that. It's going to open on a new tab like you see. So first thing first, like you all know, if you don't know, I love my elements. So I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro somewhere in this video. So please, if you want to get Canva Pro, make sure you stick around to the end. I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro for yourself. It's super important. If you're serious about print on demand, you're serious about using your designs to make passive income, and you're serious about getting deep into print on demand and making money from it, you need Canva Pro. Yes, I'm using my free version right now, but definitely when you saw the thumbnail of this video, you saw that it was placed on a different color. That is to say, I used my Pro to finish it up. So now let's go to elements, and we are going to go to pick a color for ourselves. So we're just going to pick a color for ourselves. Let's just do white. Okay, so the ones with the crown are the Pro ones. So just get that so that you know for yourself that that's what you're getting into. So I'm just going to use this one. I'm going to use this one for design. But I don't advise you use the free ones. You always want to use the paid ones. So don't always use the free ones. It's advisable for you to always use the paid ones. Don't use free ones. So now we have that on our shirt. Let's just move this a bit. So now that we have that, let me increase this a bit. Okay, so I like the way it is. So now I'm going to go to text. As you can see, you can choose more colors if you want. Sorry about that. You can choose more colors if you want. So if I go to byte, for instance, I can just, if I click on anyone, if I click on this, for instance, I can change the color around. So I can change the edges from black to red. Okay, and I can change the inner mount to black. You can see, so I can just change things around. That way if I deem fit. Or I can make this red make this red and make this black or white, as you can see. And I can decide to make the teeth black, as you can see, or make it gray, make it, something like that. But it's best for the teeth to be white, and this is going to be black. Okay, then make it black or make it something dark. Okay, we just make it black. Okay, so make it black like that, and then we just go to text, add in our text. So for this one, I'm going to add in this text. As you can see, it's quite small, so I'm going to move my cursor to this edge and make it a little bit bigger. Change the color. Obviously, I want to change it to, I think I'll change it to red. Let's see how red is going to look. Change it to this red. Okay. I'm going to change the color to document red, just like so. So now you have it. I'm going to ungroup it because you can see there's some other layer on that. I don't want that in my design, so I'm going to ungroup. Click out on this edge and click on this, delete that. I don't need that. So for this, it's going to Control A. So I'm just going to write I won't. As you can see. So let's just do I won't. So make that bigger, and you can just just make it like so. Okay, so you see what we're trying to create here. So we're trying to create something cool here. So just move it a bit like so. Okay, it already says I won't. So I'm just going to duplicate this one by pressing my Alt key button, my left mouse click button, and moving it downwards. So I'll double tap this, Control A, and I'll just put in my byte. Okay, so now that we have bytes, just increase it a bit. Increase the byte a bit. Okay. So as you can see, not so complicated, not difficult either. So it just says I won't byte. Okay. Just like so. So now you can see we've not taken much of your time at all to get this done. This is just about 8 minutes. Now the next step is to get rid of this white background, which can be done only on Pro. So if you want Pro, make sure you check the first link in the description. You heard me right, the first link in the description. Use that link to get Pro for yourself. If you're serious about getting into print on demand and making passive income while you sleep, while you stay home, while you rest at home, while you're on leave, then take this super seriously. Get Pro, the first link in the description. Make sure you click on that. It's going to open on a new tab. Just sign up with that link and you're good to go for the next 30 days. Yes, you heard me right. You're good to go for the next 30 days. So for me, I'm just going to click on download. If you're on Pro, you click on transparent background so I get rid of the white background. For me, you already see I don't have the white background already. That's because I already got rid of it. So I'll advise you to do that for yourself so that you don't stress about different colors. And for me, I'll just download this now so that I can show you how it looks. I'm going to show you how it looks after the download. As you can see, just about 9 minutes into this design and we're done. We're done already. Just showing you the pictures that we make. better you check your pictures to see that they downloaded properly. So with this said, to your right you see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist, and I will definitely see you on the next one. One love.